Hello students, today let us understand about Windows 10. Tell me children, who takes care of all the household jobs at your home? Yes, you have guessed it right. Your parents look after all the household works in such a manner that you do not have to worry about them. It is because they run the house with a system. Suppose your parents are away and you have to manage the house. You will surely find it difficult to manage the daily course of a house and will find yourself in a mess. In the same way, a computer has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. This is known as operating system. Windows is an operating system. Without it, we cannot even start a computer and work on it. Now again, tell me children, when we use the word window, which image comes to our mind? Yes, it is the glass window through which we can peep outside and can have various views. Likewise, in computers, Windows is a rectangular frame that shows different programs on the screen. Who is he? He is William Bill H. Gates, founder of Microsoft Corporation, the world's leading software company. Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is more attractive with a complete set of new pictures, themes, and icons. The best features of Windows 7 and Windows 8 are included in Windows 10. It has an improved search tool, Cortana, which helps you to find information on your system on or the web directly. You can even give voice commands to this search tool. It has a new Task View button to the right of the search box on the taskbar. This button provides the ability to open multiple desktops at the same time. Windows 10 provides a Windows Store application where you can get a lot of free apps, games and songs. When we switch on a computer, Windows starts automatically. The first screen that appears with labeled pictures on it is called desktop. Students, let's take a quick view. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows. Now let us understand icon. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. Let us understand the concept of icons and desktop with the help of a given example. When you go to the kitchen and open a cupboard, you find various labeled boxes containing different items. This cupboard works like windows and the labeled boxes work like icons. Okay children, we shall discuss about window taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It is divided into the following sections. Now let us talk about the Start button. The Start button is present at the bottom left of the taskbar. When you click on the Start button, the list of options appears. This list is called Start menu. You can use Start button to perform common tasks, such as starting a program, searching files and folders, shutting down the computer, and much more. You can find the File Explorer, settings and a list of most used apps on the left side of the Start menu. To see all your apps and programs, select All Apps. Students, let us learn a few things. Start menu can also be opened by pressing Windows button on the keyboard. Middle section. The middle section of the bar shows the open programs as buttons. This area of the taskbar is called Quick Launch Bar, where you can add commonly used programs such as Internet Explorer, Word program, Windows Media Player, etc. They can be opened with a single click. When a program is active, its button is highlighted in a lighter shade. Notification area. The right side of the taskbar is known as notification area, which includes a clock and a group of icons that tell the status and notifications about the programs running on a computer. For example, software updates, network connectivity, battery, volume, etc. The peek button is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. Click this button to minimize all the opened up program windows and view the desktop. Moving the taskbar. The taskbar can be moved to any of the four sides of the desktop. To move the taskbar, take the following steps. Place the pointer on the blank area to the taskbar. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag the taskbar to any side of the desktop. Now release the mouse button. Students, let's take a quick view. You can also activate Task View by pressing the Windows logo key plus Tab key on your keyboard. Locking the taskbar. You can lock the taskbar. That means it will not move to any place until you unlock it. Right-click on the blank area of the taskbar. Click on the Lock the Taskbar option in the shortcut menu. You will notice that the taskbar will not move from its location. Time for the fact file. When a computer is switched on, Windows take a few seconds to load an operating system. This process of loading the OS is called booting. We shall learn about the selecting and deselecting the icon. Selecting an icon. To select any icon, simply click on it. It will be highlighted. Deselecting an icon. To deselect the icon, click away from the icon. The icon will be now displayed in its original form. Alright, let us talk about selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. Selecting adjacent items. Left-click on the first item to be selected. Then hold down the Shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Release the Shift key. All the adjacent items are selected. Now let me tell you about selecting non-adjacent items. Hold down the Control key and click once on each of the items to be selected. This way you can select the non-adjacent item. Students, let us understand the steps of opening a program. Click on the icon which you want to select and press the Enter key. The application window will open, or double-click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Let us have a quick view. Press Window key plus D key combination to minimize all open windows. Let us learn how to arrange the desktop icons. As you arrange your study desk to make it tidy. Similarly, you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. Right-click on the blank area of desktop. You will find the list of options. Select the View option. Click on the Auto Arrange Icons option from the sub-menu. Observe the changes. Now we shall learn about sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop items means arranging them in a proper order. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Point to the Sort By option and click the Size sub-option. The icons will be arranged in increasing order of the file size. Let us talk about the steps of changing the desktop background. You can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice in the following way. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. You will find the list of options. This is called Shortcut menu. Select the Personalize option. The personalization window will appear. By default, the background option is selected and preview of the current background is displayed in the right pane. Click on the drop-down arrow of the background list box and select any option, Picture, Solid Color, Slideshow from the displayed list. Select any picture from the Choose Your Picture section or click on the Browse button to get more options for the pictures from your computer. Select any layout for the background from the Choose a Fit list box. A preview of the selected background will appear in the Preview section. The selected picture will be set as desktop background. Now let us understand how to change the screensaver. The screensaver is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer is left idle for a certain period of time. By pressing any key or moving the mouse, you can again get back to the normal screen. Follow the given steps to change the screensaver. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Click on Personalize option from the shortcut menu. The personalization window will appear. Select the Lock Screen option from the left pane. Scroll down the vertical scroll bar. Select Screensaver Settings option from the right pane. The Screensaver Settings dialog box will appear. Click on the drop-down arrow in the Screensaver section and select any screensaver of your choice. A mini preview of the screensaver will be displayed in the preview box. To watch the preview on full screen, click the Preview tab. You will get the preview on the full screen of the selected screensaver. Move the mouse to get back to the Screensaver Settings window. Set the time in Wait box as per your need. Use up arrow to increase the time and down arrow to decrease. Click OK. Students note that you can even get to the screensaver settings directly by typing screensaver in the search box placed on the taskbar. Select the Change Screensaver from the displayed options. The Screensaver Settings dialog box will open. Students, let me tell you about mouse pointer shapes. The shape of the mouse pointer changes according to the actions we perform. Busy. It means that computer is busy and wants you to wait. Normal. For pointing, selecting and dragging the items on the screen. Double-headed arrow. For resizing the window or pictures. Four-headed arrow for moving pictures and toolbars. I-beam for inserting text in a document. Working in background. It means that computer is processing while you are working. Alright, let me tell you the steps to shut down your computer. Shutting down means turning off a computer. To shut down your system, follow the given steps. Click on the Start button. Now click on the Power button. Select the Shutdown option. The system will take a few seconds to shut down. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Windows is an operating system that controls and manages the functions of a computer. The labeled pictures on the desktop are known as icons. The Start button is used to perform common tasks such as starting a program, using help and support, searching files and folders, and much more. Notification area is present on the right side of the taskbar. It includes a clock and group of icons. Double-clicking the left mouse button on the icon opens the selected item. Screensaver is an image which pops up on the screen whenever a computer remains idle for a short time.